Daw may adto guys, oh. Boat, oh, kana oh, racing boat. Okay, diya may adto guys. Ano, racing. Hala, yawa na oy. Kuya lag, mahapla na ba? Adlok ana oy. Sakay daw ko dira. Kaya ka ko dira? Racing boat. Hala. Racing boat bay na ibayad. Yawa dyan yung Japan. Mato daw ko dira. Sabak bay bay yun. Racing boat sila bay. Mato dito bay. Nas lolo. Racing boat, racing boat. Nas lolo. Nagplano si lolo ng sakay. Racing. Racing, racing. Wala kuyawa. Adlok ba na ni? Asa na wala pa ingong lagpot na. Oh. Wala. Wala kay bayad anak. Good morning. Here we are again, once again in a lifetime. We are roaming around because today is Golden Week in Japan. Today we are practicing. We are talking about rest day. Today is my no work, but tomorrow I have a work. Pasensya na po sa English na nagkadimao, dire wala dito. Mao na lang niyang kinabuhi na to ron. Pasensya na guys. Mao lang to guys. Vlog lang mi guys. Dire ra ko likod. Ato daw may barko ba? Nakay daw may barko. Salamat kayo guys. Salamat kayo guys. Bye bye guys. Maunta guys. Diri mi sa racing boat. Racing boat.
Menこれですか？
スタートラインに対し左横風1メートルでございます。